So I'm going to quickly go over some of my current camera gear and show you how I pack it all into this Mosiso camera bag. I have a Canon 90D here and a Canon SL2. I used to use my SL2 as my primary camera until I recently picked up the 90D. So now the 90D is my primary camera and the SL2 is my backup. I have a Canon 24-105, a Tamron 70-200, and a Tamron 18-400. I have an external mic. It's a Deity D4 Mini. I carry some ND filter options. I take my tablet with me sometimes. Some of you may have an external monitor that can be placed in the space of the bag that I use for the tablet. Here's an extra battery, a small bag for tools I may need, a light poncho for potential rain, and my trusty monopod. It's a Benro MAD38A. As you can see, it's a pretty compact option for a camera bag. Even though it's not a super big bag, I can still pack everything I just showed you into it. It has an interior zipper cover which helps hold everything in place. I cut out some extra foam padding for my lens at the bottom and my camera or whatever I'm gonna pack on the side here. And let's let the packing process begin. You can use this pocket on the back for keys, wallets, and other small items. And just like that, I'm ready to roll.